Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be learning about how to make a logo by using Canva. First, you need to go to the Canva website. If you don't have any Canva account and want to make a new Canva account, you can check out my previous video on how to sign up for the Canva. I will also leave the link in the description as well, so make sure to check that out. Once you are here on the home page, you can select a logo template. You can simply click on the templates on the left side. And from here, you need to search for the logo templates. And here it is. You can simply just click on it. And there are some logo templates that you can scroll down and see more of them. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. And some of them which are paid, there's a $sign on them. And there are some templates that can only be used by Canva Pro. So we will be just working with the free ones. On the top, you have these suggestions. You can just click any one of them. For example, if you want to make a logo for the gaming, you can select this one. Or if you want to make a logo for the hospitals, education, you can simply just click on the type of logo that you want. And just for this video, let's go with the gaming one. When I click here, it will filter out the logos that are mainly used just for the gaming channels or for the gaming purposes. As you can see, these are our logos. Let me show you how you can use this logo to make your own. Once you click on the logo, just click on customize this template. This will open up another page and the logo as well. And now you can customize this logo according to your need. Let's just change this one and add our YouTube channel name. And here you can write the name. And after that, just click on the board. And then again, if you want to change this one, just double click on here and write whatever you want. Just click on here once you are done. If you want to add some icons or anything else, you can simply just click on here and search for the icons or the elements that you want to add in your logo design. You want to place it right here. You can click on the position and send it to backward. You can increase the size or decrease the size according to your need. Canva has a very large library of icons to choose from. You can browse it just by click on elements and here search for it. If you want the graphics, just click on it. And here you have all of these options and the icons that you can use in your logo. Now let's download it. You can simply just click on file and here just click on download. Canva offers a few different file formats to choose from depending on how you want to use your logo. You can download the JPEG, you can download the PNG or the PDF form and many more. Once you are happy with the file type, just click on download. Now open up your logo and that's it. With just few clicks, we have created a very professional looking logo for our brand. And that's how you can create a logo for free in Canva. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.